Globally, there is today a need for skilled IT professionals, and it's growing bigger and bigger and bigger, and there is now a need for us to change in order to take advantage of the opportunities that are actually facing us today. Let me now move to my last slide here. Our intention is to actually make the Philippines the world's IT hub. We need all the IT jobs to be brought to the Philippines. That is our intention. And if we're able to bring it to the Philippines, we need all these IT jobs to be brought to all parts of the country, not just in Metro Manila and Cebu. That is our objective. And I actually have until the end of middle of next year to actually achieve this target. Now, let me now move to my next set of slides.
Smile.
Okay. Let me just go through some of the changes that are happening. There's a financial crisis. The world has become flat. There's now the emergence of global integration, globally integrated enterprises. There is today, and there has to be focus on innovation, and that the world today is evolving into a huge services. Speaker is Vitas Ordoso. We need to start studying, doing research on service as a software. I don't want to give a definition of the software as a service today. I'm encouraging our universities to make this an area of research. Software as a service, or what we call SaaS. Okay? Cloud computing. What is cloud computing? Can somebody tell me what cloud computing is all about? Okay. I also would like to encourage the universities to start doing research, ask some of their students to actually submit the research study on cloud computing. Open collaboration, basically making sure that our open source systems are able to interoperate with the proprietary systems that should allow companies, governments to collaborate with each other. Accessibility, we need to actually produce products today, IT products that are designed to help our differently abled people to access the IT infrastructure. There's now a huge demand for software designed for very aware of the fact that technology today is contributing very, very fast to the accumulation of global waste. We need universities again to do research, start doing research on how we can actually start an initiative for green computing or handling our technology waste in the Caraga region. And of course, mobility. Very, very few people today, including government, is really trying to drive the cost of computing down. And in fact, we have a partnership with Intel today where it's what we call the NetApp Cambayan. Intel today has launched some desktops priced below 10,000 pesos in February. Multidisciplinary It has to be based on open standards. Okay. The development of an innovation mindset. Again, the need for T-shaped professionals. And this is SME. Okay, I believe I have discussed this one.